Good morning. Good morning. So, I slept on the idea that, or the lack of, that we talked about last night. And I think the best way I can word it is that it's the question of feeling. Do I still wanna do it? And the answer is yes. And I'm happy that it's yes. Because this is something that I am very interested in. Maybe I'm just on the early stages of the thing. Yes, I definitely am on the early stages of the thing where I know that I don't know a lot, and that I haven't gone far with my experimentations yet, and there's still that. Yeah, I think I know what it is. The brain is very sneaky. There's still that fear, I think, that kind of polluted the joy that I was supposed to feel after doing it. The brain is very sneaky. The brain is trying to go back to its ways of just wishing for this instead of doing it, because it's more safe wishing. But I'm not gonna allow the brain to do that. I'm gonna win over my brain. It's just my brain trying to make me stick back to my old habits. I feel like it is. And there's a funny sort of analogy that also came this morning. It's like it's like dating. When you've been dating for a bit with this person, like knowing a bit more, and the first time you went all the way with physical intimacy with them, you also have this question of, do I still want to see this person? I feel like that's along the lines of how I felt last night. And it's just so funny because I think I feel like there is always gonna be this sort of ambivalence towards things that you really care about, or people that you really care about. And I have not yet done enough research to answer the why of this. Maybe it goes back to the roots of the darkness cannot exist without the light, and the light cannot exist without the darkness, sort of frame. Maybe it goes back to that, especially with the things that we love, because love is such a strong, so it also triggers a strong polar opposite, if you may. So maybe that's the explanation of what I felt last night. A bit of explanation, I'm not entirely sure. But what I'm sure is I still wanna explore this. I still wanna explore this because I like it, and I'm very interested on how far I can take this, not just far in the outward material world, but how far within myself I can take this. Because the more I do it, the more I will learn, or the more I will notice how I do certain things. And this is very interesting because it also helps me access the feelings that I didn't know that I have, or that make them flow, give them some kind of like give them some kind of, how to say, give them some kind of door to make themselves known to me also, because I'm also an observer of my own feelings. I don't know my entire self yet. I'm still young and I haven't seen enough and I haven't explored enough, I feel like. So, and singing helps me explore my inner world, like painting. It's like painting. When I paint, when I think of painting, I always have this sort of plan in my head that I want to go where I want where I want the thing, the project to go, but it always doesn't go that way. There's always something more that comes out, and I feel like if I learn the ways of how I can use singing to do that, or to learn the ways of how I can let singing do that and gain more knowledge or technical stuff, or see what other people are doing and learn through their work. If I get more of these kinds of experiences, I feel like I can unlock things within myself that has not yet surfaced in my conscious part of my mind. I feel like, because I have told you, singing is the most natural thing for me, but I don't know a lot about it. I just know that I'm interested, I like doing it, and I like it does something to me. Apart from the fact that it makes my life easier, apart from the fact that it it makes things bearable, apart from the fact that it calms me or releases some kind of stress within my mind, apart from that, it does something to me, like especially when I am very present, when I am singing the song. Like I have said in my previous video, I feel like I am bigger. I feel like I am bigger, and I feel like I am more complex, and that I have more tentacles. Yeah. Anyway, that's the update for so that you will become over there that I didn't lose my direction. I didn't lose my direction. That's the update. I'm still gonna do it.